Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming updates and a shared Wi-Fi network, because AirPlay needs both devices reachable. Once done, open your Sony or Google TV settings and enable Apple AirPlay and HomeKit support. This exposes the receiver. Next, on your iPhone or iPad, open Control Center and tap Screen Mirroring, or tap the AirPlay icon inside the app you'll stream from. Make sure the TV name appears, then select it to initiate the connection. Once connected, decide whether you want full screen mirroring or to AirPlay content directly from an app. Mirroring sends everything while App AirPlay streams optimized media. Make sure the TV input and display resolution match your source to avoid scaling issues, and check the TV's audio output if sound comes from the wrong speaker. If the TV shows a passcode, enter it on your device to authorize. After media starts, use playback controls on your device or the TV remote to manage content. To end a session, tap Screen Mirroring in Control Center and choose Disconnect, or tap the AirPlay icon inside the playing app and stop. For smoother playback, reduce stream bitrate in the app if available, close background apps, and move devices closer to the router to improve Wi-Fi signal. If AirPlay fails, restart both the TV and your iPhone, confirm both are on the same network, and temporarily disable any router firewall or guest network isolation. That one troubleshooting step often resolves
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.